Nothing will happen.
Oh, nothing happened. Okay, nothing happened. You see, it's still like, shiny. Yeah, like water. It's like water. So that's how you identify gold. But if you are going to appraise for a lower carats, like 18 carats, 14 carats, 10 carats, you use this. For you to know what the percentage of the gold and the percentage of the alloy, so we are going to scratch the white gold or the gold or yellow gold. It's the same. So you put the nitric acid, it reacts at once. You see? So this is a 92.5% sterling silver. This is a 50.6 grams, 24 carats, 999.9 gold. How to compute for the exact alloy?
Try to make your torch steady.
See, if your torch is not steady, it's hard to melt. More practice, correct. You fold it straightly. Now, the procedure of making a pattern, if you use this here, you cannot make a human leg. If you use this one here, you cannot make a human leg. Like that. Which force? Yeah. Okay, so it's finished. Then all you have to do is to use your pliers. Use your pliers to round it. You round the small one. Round the small one. Downward, not push. Like that. See?
Which of these?
Yeah, the small. Yeah, those is small. This one is. So a little bit, just a little bit exceed on the inside. As you can see, if you look at that, you see the thickness of the ring is, you can see that the soldering materials fill up a little bit here. So that's another thing you have to avoid. But this is already okay. Okay, you can continue.
Last one.
Last one. Okay. There is the last one. Okay, yeah. That's the last.
One more time or?
Let me see if it's okay. Yeah, it's enough already. open? Right. Oh, it's okay if it's not yet arranged. You have to arrange it with the stainless instrument later before you solder. Uh, the Cuban link chain is harder to make, but
need force.
yes, force only.
Yeah.
The rope chain is easier to make but intricate.
You need patience.
Yes, patience, correct.
Yeah. And more practice.
More practice, correct. Very beautiful chain. So this is already your finished product. So this is 18 carats bracelet, right? 18 carats. So we have melted 50 grams of gold, and then we finish of 46.6 grams, and then melting and alloying, and then many process. Not as simple as you watch the video presentation of Cuban link making. Now, you can ask question if there's some part that I missed to teach. So that is now your finished product. And about the rope chain, from 999 fine silver, melting, making a wire, coiling, and intricate but interesting.
Interesting.
Yes,
Takes time to practice.
takes time to practice. And also, you have said before, it's you think that it's impossible to do this
Yeah, never
by
thought
hand.
this can be made by hand.
Can be made by hand. It's impossible that can be made by hand.
Like a magic.
Yes. Now you believe that you made it already.
Yeah.
You can tell your friends, you know who made this? This is my own handcrafted Cuban link. Yeah.
The hallmark and the logo.
Yes, the hallmark and the logo.
Yes.
So if you are going to
I also like that.
make for your own, to practice make for your own when you go back to your country, it is your original. Okay, so that is one of our foreign students who came all the way from their country just to learn the techniques of biyaring platero. So we teach him the procedure or the complete step-by-step procedure on how to make a Cuban link chain. This is the one he made, an 18 carats gold Cuban link bracelet, and also the silver rope chain. I am also showing you this big Cuban link chain. This is a 382.5 grams, 17.5 millimeter width, and 16 inches length because my customer is a lady. So this is a choker size Cuban link necklace. Out of this, I provide a video on how I make this. So the video is not the same with my video presentations in YouTube. The video is intended for training, and for those who already subscribe, my guarantee for the training is you can still contact me through Skype for follow-up training so that I can watch and I can see what you do in your workshop to make the Cuban link, and I can teach you with the portion that you cannot get. So thank you for those who already subscribe my video. The training is not the same with my videos in YouTube. The making of a Cuban link is not as simple as you watch my video presentations in YouTube. So that is all for now, and good day.